Here comes the elevator. It's at IKEA in Exeter. Okay. These lifts are huge. Yeah, I think we got this one. I think each of them have a pull button for each. I think. I don't think we need to send the other up. I don't think the other one up. Right, here it is. Massive. I'll go up this one down, then we'll catch the other one. And listen very carefully, see which lift's louder. Alright, let's go down to G. I looked around and see there was any travelers down to this level, but there's none at the back. Not like the one in Eastville. I see a cafe in this massive. Actually, let's go up and then we'll catch the other one. This is fast. This is pretty fast. Alright, let's go. Let's go up to the first one, catch the other one. Alright, capacity 66 person, 5,000 kilogram. I don't think we need to send the lifts down because I think each. Oh, here's the lift. Here we are. Okay, that was lucky. Alright, see if it's louder or quieter. I think these did have slower doors. I haven't got a clue. I'm sure some other YouTubers will tell us. Hopefully some other YouTubers will comment which is louder or quieter, like TJ lifts. I think these have got slower doors. Maybe it's quieter, I don't know. Yeah, it's gonna film the lifts like Morgan does. Maybe I might do that as my thumbnail like Morgan. I don't know. Alright, let's go down to G one more time, then we'll... Oh, okay. Go down one more time, and we'll end up here. The capacity is the same, 66 person, 5,000 kilogram. The indicator looks funny on the phone. I'm pretty sure there's no travelators, or no more travelators here. I don't know if there could be one. I don't know if there's an underground. I don't know if there's an underground car park. But there could be one to the underground. We'll have to look around. Well, I don't really want to look around the car park, it's not dangerous. Let's put the camera on. Yeah. Alright, let's end it here. Hang on, real quick, let's do thumbnails for both lifts because they're open anyway. Let's do thumbnail for this lift. There we are. Here's the two lift thumbnails. Give you my thumbnail. That's it.